Hey, here's how you can launch a successful supplement brand in a record time. In today's video, we have an exciting lineup for you. We'll be taking you through the step-by-step process of launching your own brand in a fast-growing supplement industry. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Find your niche. The first step in building a successful brand is finding your niche. This involves identifying market trends and exploring potential intersections to create unique product offering. One option is to explore market trends using tools like Google Trends or Explore Topics. It allows you to analyze search volume and discover popular topics related to your industry. Another option is to leverage your existing assets, such as audience or network. Your connections may lead you to untapped opportunities within your industry. Or you can invent a new market intersection by identifying unique combinations of product or target audience. For example, you could create an energy drink specifically designed for truck drivers. Step 2. Ask ChatGPT to write a marketing strategy. Once you have identified your niche, it's time to develop a solid marketing strategy. But don't worry, you don't have to do it all by yourself. We'll call in our assistant ChatGPT to help us out. It won't be perfect at first, but you can train ChatGPT or use whatever it generates as a starting point and fine-tune it by yourself. Step 3. Generate your business name and logo. With our marketing strategy in hand, it's time to create a strong brand identity. Head to Namelix.com to generate a unique business name and logo. Namelix is a fantastic tool that uses advanced algorithms to generate creative and catchy business names. And it also provides logo suggestions that aligns with your brand. Step 4. Create your products. Now that we have brand name and logo, let's move on to product selection. Supplefull.com is a great platform that offers a wide range of high-quality supplement products with no inventory cost. That's right, there are zero upfront costs. When customers start buying products, Supplefull will dropship them directly to your customers. Go to Supplefull.com and browse through the catalog and choose the products that align with your brand's vision and target audience. Step 5. Create label designs and generate studio-grade photos. To make your product stand out, it's essential to have eye-catching label designs and professional product photos. Supplefull provides you with Canva design templates that make label designing a breeze. And Supplefull can even help you generate studio-grade photos that will help you tons of time and money. Step 6. Replicate or build your brand website. Now let's move on to establishing your online presence. If you're looking for a quick start, you can use Replo.com to replicate a Shopify website of a successful brand. You can search any brand that's making 7 or 8 figures and simply borrow their design as a starting point. But if you prefer a more personalized touch, you can build it from scratch, of course. Step 7. Publish products to your new store. With our website framework in place, it's time to publish our products in our brand new online store. After you've connected your Supplefull and Shopify accounts, it takes just a single click to publish the products to your website and make it available for purchase. As a final step, it's time to fill the website with captivating and persuasive text. Once again, we'll turn to our reliable assistant ChatGPT to help us with that. Great! Now that we have our website content ready, it's time to publish our products to our brand new online store. It's time to move to the next phase, marketing and promotion. But don't worry, we'll cover that in our upcoming video.